Renault, a European leader in light commercial vehicles, joins forces with Ahorn Camp, a well-known German motorhome brand, to launch a new generation of motorhomes. Starting in summer 2025, Ahorn Camp will be the first brand to build its entire range on the all-new Renault Master. All models will be produced in large-scale series by the Erwin-Hymer Group, a pioneer in motorhome manufacturing. The new models bring key innovations: efficient blue DCI diesel engines from 130 to 170 horsepower, a new 9-speed automatic transmission, advanced safety and stability with a strong chassis, and modern driver assistance systems, a driver-focused cockpit with ergonomic seats, smart connectivity, and Renault's original reversing camera. The range includes 9 motorhomes and 2 campervans. Each model is designed for families, first-time campers, and experienced travelers. Campervans start at €52,800. Motorhomes start at €58,900. The new range will premiere at Caravan Salon 2025 in Düsseldorf from August 29th to September 7th.